Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm part of the Marco sales team. I'm here today to talk to you about Marco's Fast Fix side coupler. The patented Fast Fix side coupler is used to join lengths of steel wire cable tray together in seconds, removing the need for a traditional nut and bolt assembly. This significantly reduces installation time and costs for the installer. Simply place the Fast Fix side coupler through the two side wires of the first tray. Then, with a standard posi screwdriver, push and twist, locking it firmly into place in the second tray. This installation meets and exceeds EN 61537 earth continuity requirements. Manufactured from spring steel and finished with a tough geomet coating, the Fast Fix side coupler can be used for internal and external applications. Remember to look for the Marco logo. Marco's Fast Fix side coupler. Install, secure and fix in seconds.